Yorkies Knob. Here we are. After almost 2,000 kilometres of travelling 4 days, right, and only sustaining slight damage.
What?
Where are we?
Knob.
Never know where you are. We're at Yorkies Knob. After 4 days of searching for kites from Sydney, from Byron Bay, this is the first time I've actually seen a kite, and there's actually quite a few out there.
Damn.
What's up now?
Kites suck.
Yeah, exactly. The total damage sustained on the way here has been one skateboard. Sorry, no, I lost, which we lost when the back door of the trailer came undone. Only a skateboard. And a solar shower, which we put in the back of the trailer and just disappeared. So here we are now at Yorkies Knob with a whinging kid in the back. Noah, say something really whingy.
They always go, oh, this is my beach, get off, I'm calling the council, blah, 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 go away. This is my beach.
Have you ever been traumatised by councils before?
No,
For flying kites?
No, I've only been traumatised by kitesurfers for surfing. For the better leading sport.
Excellent. Here's the way, my boy, yeah. Looking good, looking good.